And then, so what does the commodity market say to you when you see gold making new all-time highs? Copper these days is ripping, right? Like you got people crying over the weekends about how tariffs are going to ruin everything and China's going to crash. And yet Chinese stocks keep going up and copper is ripping, which is consistent with Chinese stocks going up. So gold, copper, some of these other soft commodities, everything but crude oil, essentially, right? So like, how do you think about what's happening in the commodity complex despite such a strong dollar over the last 4 or 5 months, I might add? Does that like reiterate what you're talking about in Latin America?
Well, I actually pay a lot of attention to the commodity markets and the commodity indices. Like, I want to say it's the which commodity index is it? The Bloomberg Commodity Index.
Yeah.
It's about 17% oil and 17% gold, and I think it's like 8% copper, and then it goes down from there. This has not really been a broad-based rally in commodities. Like gold has done really well. You've had some soft commodities like coffee and cocoa do really well. But ags are still around the lows. Cotton is still around the lows. You've had a rally in the index because gold and copper have done so well, but it really hasn't been a broad-based commodity rally like we've seen in other cycles.